Introducing the impressive 2022 Volvo Xc60 T6 Phev Inscription EXP 5-door AU in sleek black. This vehicle is the perfect blend of luxury and efficiency, with a 2-litre engine and petrol plug-in hybrid electric fuel type. The automatic transmission and estatejeep body style make driving a breeze. Loaded with comfort and safety features such as ambient lighting, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning. This car ensures a smooth and secure ride every time. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can have peace of mind with this exceptional vehicle. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on how you can drive home in this top-of-the-line Volvo today.